Hi there, this is Doc Mountain and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add hosts to your guild on Niki Live if you're an agent. So now, on Niki Live, you have to manually add people to your guild if you're an agent. If you introduce people to Niki, you simply walk them through the steps that they have to walk through for them to open an account. Thereafter, you add them manually to your guild so that they happen to be under your agency. So what you do is, after you help them open an account, tell them to send you the ID. So there we go. This human being had sent me the ID and I'm actually copying it. I copied from my WhatsApp. Thereafter, I go to Niki Live, open it. Then make sure that the profile tab is active. So the profile tab is the one which is in the bottom right corner. Click it. And then I go to where it says agency. I click it. Okay, there we go. So now from here, there's somewhere where it reads my guild, then host. Click there where it says add. Okay, beautiful. So now from here you can enter the ID, you punch in the ID or you simply paste the ID. Then you click search. So that's the person that I opened the account. So from here I would simply tap on add. Succeeded. Now the person whom I have added would need now to accept from the other end. Okay, so now let me show you what it will look like. Okay, so after I've added that person will need now to be told to open Niki Live. Beautiful. We are in. Okay, beautiful. So now they will need to check the messages from the messages inbox. So the icon in the bottom right corner is the profile tab. Now this one, which is just on the left of the profile tab, is where they have to check out the message. So there's this message reading, Hardboard Guild invites you. Let me click there. Hardboard Guild ID 18421 invites you to join. So they have to click join. And then they click accept. And it is done. Thereafter, they will receive a congratulatory message. Congratulatory message. And there it is. It's reading, you have joined guild successfully. Okay, and